Good morning and Eid Mubarak to everybody. Welcome to my Eid vlog. Today is Eid, obviously. We're doing it on Tuesday. A lot of people are doing it on Wednesday, but we're doing it today. And we are off to Drayton Manor today. It is currently almost 7:30 in the morning and I have been up since 5 because Isa decided he wanted to fall off the bed. And then after that I couldn't go to sleep. But I'm really not feeling well. I've got tonsillitis. My throat is literally like, it's got white spots in it. It really hurts. I couldn't sleep last night. I had a thumping headache, my ears were hurting, and I just felt like rubbish. So I woke up after he fell off the bed and decided to just get everything done. Elisa's and Isa's clothes are all prepped for when they wake up. I've packed all the food that we're taking. I've got his bottles ready for the day. I've got their spare clothes all ready, but I need to redo my scarf because I am not feeling this. Do my Latin. But yeah, I have just had a coffee and now I don't know what I'm doing now. I think I need to go and wake the kids up or put my shoes on and then I don't know whether to go to my mom's house and then get the kids ready there. I think I might do that because then they can have some breakfast and not get the Eid clothes dirty. So apparently my kids don't want to wake up. I've been waiting for them for a while. I've tried to like gently wake them up, but they don't want to wake up. So I'm just waiting for them to wake up by themselves. Otherwise they'll be too grumpy if I like force them to wake up, if you know what I mean. I've put all the presents in the car, I've put all of the food in the car. Sorted the pushchair out. What else? Don't know really. I've done everything basically, and now I'm just twiddling my thumbs waiting for them to wake up. So it is raining and I do not like it because I am dressed in summer clothes. Basically we're going to Drayton Manor today and I was hoping that the rain on the weather forecast was a lie, but clearly it's not. But right now I'm on the way to my mum's house and we're gonna go for breakfast. It is now 8:12, which is quite late. I was thinking I was gonna be there like 7:45, but no, it's not that bad actually. I tried to book the Drayton Manor tickets online yesterday, but I couldn't because there was an error. So I need to ring them at 8:30 and figure out what I can do about it, because I'm not paying over £60 for a ticket for me, my husband and Elisa and Isa, because I can get it for £44. So yeah, let's just say I don't want to do that. Why are you looking at me like that? I won't. So at my mum's house now. This is what we came for. Hanifa made these, which are coconut little pastry things, and they're really nice. And then of course we have to have the garam dood. Do you like it, Maya? Yeah. Do you like it, Manny? So the craziness of opening presents is over. At least I need some tights on because I did not realise how cold it was going to be today. Isa's eating one of these and they're like sour cherries. Say hi. Hello.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter.
We're on the way to Drayton Manor. She fell asleep and he's asleep. So I stopped and got a coffee. We are now in Drayton Manor. Lisa's awake. Hi everyone. So I thought I'd just talk to you for a minute. if you can understand what I'm saying. But yesterday I didn't vlog after we got to Drayton Manor because honestly I just felt so rubbish. Went on a few rides, the kids went on a few rides, and then it poured down with rain. And then we got home and the kids were sleeping, and then they were just playing with their toys. And then I was hungry in the evening, so we went to McDonald's, and then the kids fell asleep at like 12 o'clock midnight. So that was a fun evening when I'm feeling really rubbish. But I have an eye infection and my throat is absolutely killing, so I didn't vlog anymore, and I'm so sad about it because I kind of wanted this to be a really good vlog. But yeah, right now it is the day after Eid and I'm about to go pick up my sister and her little girl because she doesn't have her car today, so we're gonna go and do that. The kids are with my mum in her house, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So guess where I am? It's the next day now. I'm in the Primark Mez Cafe and I just had breakfast, which was coconut porridge and a coffee. Lisa has just been wandering around here with my phone and he's just screaming his little head off. So loud.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on
I'm in the Ford garage, I'm getting my new car today. It's over there. That's my car, I haven't seen it yet. It's not just boxes. I don't actually know if I told you that I'm getting a new car, but I am. And it's a Fiesta because I had a Fiesta. Last I had a Fiesta. And now I've got a Kia and I hate the Kia so much, so I wanted a Fiesta again, so I'm getting one. Lisa is restless. Lisa has some new shoes on. Looks funny with this outfit because it's like a kind of a winter outfit. Yes, babe?
Get that pillow.
Leave it there, don't mess this place up again.
This is the car shop.
Is it a car shop?
Yeah. Mr. Ghost. Lisa, Dada, me. A bit. Son. Mr. Ghost. Mr. Dada, me.
Quiet, please. So, I got my car. I'm so excited about it. Alhamdulillah, I got to get a Fiesta again. I absolutely love Fiestas. They're just the best car in the world. I'm so excited to have a Fiesta again. I love Fiestas. So, yeah, so excited. I'm just in my new car. I picked up this one and there's the other one. There! Those two from school, and we're just waiting in the car for their mum and dad to come.
My mummy's got a dress.
Mummy's got I got you a dress.
This one.
That's not a dress, that's a t-shirt.
T-shirt?
Yeah, she calls it all tops and everything dresses. She's a joker. Anyway, this is my car. Look, it's got this cool screen. You can put the audio on and it's really, really cool. I love it. Do you like it, Maya? Do you like Maya's cat ears? She always wears cat ears. She thinks she's a cat because she always says meow as well.
Maya.
And what are you?
Unicorn.
A bear. What noise does the bear make?
I don't know.
That's a lion. What animal are you, Elisa?
Baby bear.
What animal are you, Elisa?
Like that. Oh, I'm in her fatty.
You're a fatty unicorn.
Hello, the dogs. Hello.
Hi everyone. So we are in Coventry IKEA today, and this is my new car. Woof. We've come to meet my brother and his kids. I'm just gonna have a little fun day today.
Driving along the road tonight, lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Wow, what have you got?
I got it.
Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are in Coventry, but this is Wilco. These guys decided they wanted a lollipop, and they're being little monkeys just running around being crazy, but they're being alright. They're holding hands, so it's good. So we're just gonna head to somewhere else. I don't even know where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna play it by ear and see what happens. So we are in the Transport Museum. I haven't been here for so long, like years. But look at it. So it's changed so much. I can't even remember this. Hi. Are you pressing buttons? Oops. How did you just fall? How? He was holding on. Issa's awake now.
From a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
We finished in the Transport Museum, and now we're just sitting out here where these big arches are, Coventry's arches. So I'm outside Ash's flat now. Wolfman's here. Came to see my new car. He's is really sleepy, but he didn't fall asleep. I thought he'd fall asleep on the way. But yes, we're just gonna go inside, chill. I'm probably not gonna even vlog anymore today, to be honest. But thank you so much for watching this video, guys.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. My name is Saf's Life. That is all for now, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.